What up, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. It's New Money Maker Mondays, and this site is Dollarsreward. Click on it with the link in the description. You'll get 10 cents and sign up. One of my subscribers brought to my attention a couple of days ago, so I decided, to make a video because obviously, it's a new site, and so I want to bring it to your attention. But it's really very simple to understand. Once you log in and create your account and all that good stuff, here are all the offer walls that they have. Peanut Labs is really good. Theorem Reach is really good. They always have disqualification points, so even if you don't complete the survey, you'll get something for doing that. Offer Turo is one of the best offer walls that you can do. So there's always something on here that you can do. You can see here, if you go over to Earn Money and you go to Daily Surveys, you'll see the different surveys you have. Now, for me personally, I'm a fan of Samplelicious surveys, Peanut Labs, the 5-minute survey router, and your surveys as well. I'm gonna show you those real quick. I think Samplelicious is on the second page, but I just signed up for this site a couple days ago, and now I'm about to get started making money with it. But I just want to show you some of the things that I'm going to be doing on here, and I recommend you do the same thing. You see here, Samplelicious surveys, Express, meaning they're not going to take you forever to do. They're going to take you 5-10 minutes, 55 cents for each one of those. You can go down right up below it, and you can actually see there's another survey. See here, take a quick 5 to 10 minute survey. You get 48 cents doing that. I'm trying to find that survey, that 5-minute survey router. It might be on the third page. Let me see. I mean, these surveys, they're not difficult to do. I've seen these surveys on other sites plenty of times, so I'm sure this process is going to work on this site. It always does. Like I said, you take just one routine from one site, take it to another, easy money. Not even maybe it was on that second page. Let me go back, because they usually have like a 5-minute survey router. Yeah, there it is right there. 5-minute survey, 39 cents, and then if you go to the last page, you'll see the Your Surveys, and I think this surveys, the Your Surveys on this site are really high paying, if I'm not mistaken. Just going down here, my bad, page 4. Let me try there, because I know they have it. It just has to be somewhere. Yeah, right there, Your Surveys, unlimited survey router, $1.20 for each one of them. And it's going to take you 30 seconds to receive your money. So I mean, it's money in this site. I just showed you the surveys that you can do. There's offer walls. If you see here, I actually did. Let me show you my account balance. I actually have well, actually, let me see a better one that you can actually see. My account. I'm gonna go to dashboard to show you like a really good overview. Here it is. So, like I said, that's the 10 cent that I got from signing up with somebody else's link. Like I said, the link is in the description. You can sign up, you can get 10 cents as well. I did a survey. It was like a minute long. I got 8 points for it, which is 8 cents. If you, yeah, right there, you see here, that was me right there. I got the 8 points for doing the Theorem Reach survey. So basically now I have 18 cents. If I convert it, each point is equivalent to a cent. So I'm gonna go over here to convert points just to show you real quick. Convert the 8 points over. Convert to cash. Successfully did that. Go back over to dashboard. And now here I have 18 cents. And a really good thing about this site is all you need is about $2 to cash out. So I'll go over here to withdraw cash. They have PayPal and Skrill as payment options. So there's something for everybody, no matter what country you're in. Your country accepts one of these two. PayPal, $2 minimum, very easy to get. Skrill, $3. I mean, very low. You don't have to get, $10, $15, $20, because a lot of people don't like when they have high cash out thresholds, because it takes them a while to get money. But, when sites have anything $5 and under, it should be very, very easy to reach those steps. So highly recommend you guys sign up for this site. Do those, Your Surveys, the 5-minute survey router, the Samplelicious, the offer walls, Peanut Labs, Theorem Reach. Just remember that offers disqualification points, so you can always make something with that. Whenever you're doing like Samplelicious or Your Surveys and you're getting disqualified, jump over to Thin Reach, do some of those surveys. That way you're seeing money go into your account, and then jump over to the higher paying surveys, things like that. So like I said, Offer Turo is a really good offer wall. There's a lot of things in offer wall are just like, sign up with the email, confirm your email, things like that, and get your points. Simple, easy ways to make money. So like I said, the link is in the description. Sign up today. You'll get a bonus at your sign up. Start making money with this new site. And always remember, every penny counts.